So we had a little issue here because the 50-watt power supply is a little bigger than the 40-watt power supply. It's actually a little taller, so it would not fit underneath here. I'm going to fix it on the design so that it's going to raise it about, I don't know, 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters or so. That way this fits nicely underneath. But to get it to all fit, we had to put one of these fins inside the rail slot here over in this side. Everything still closes and works fine. It's just a little more tucked in, and we also had to put some new holes here. And we're going to have to put a little bit of a rise to it. That way it stays even. Okay? So I'll be doing that right now. So what I got here is a screw with a washer. Comes from underneath. Let's see if I can... I'll probably need to prop this up here. There we go. Okay. That way I can reach it. So screw, washer, and then I'll do a fender washer here. If you don't have a fender washer, just use another washer. I just like the extra space it has. And then a spacer, a 6mm spacer, which I just dropped. There it is. Oh. Okay. And if you don't have a spacer, a 6mm spacer, cut some 6mm acrylic to fit under here. Okay. Now that that's there, I can pull the stilt out, and I'll get this guy aligned. There we go. Okay. Everything's going through perfect. Then I'll put a washer on. Sorry that the hand's in the way. And then we'll get a nut on here. And I think I'll do that left-handed. Cool. I'll start the driver back here. There we go. That grabbed. I'll get the nut on. Oh, knock the washer off. There we go. Okay. So nut's on. Or washer's on. There's a nut. And there we go. All right. And I'll, not too tight yet. I'll do that one more time over here. So this one's a little bit further. Let's get this tilted up a little bit. Maybe not. Now that it's attached, I guess it won't tilt that much. We'll make this work though. Okay. Let's get the fender started in there. I'll get the, let's see, so I'm going to put in the other hole just to get my alignment here. There it is, okay. And then this is the sometimes watch me struggle on YouTube videos. This is another one, I guess. Oh. Okay. Might be easier with some pliers. Oh. Okay, yep. You're going to have to trust me that I did it. I'm going to use pliers to get this on. I'll see you next video where we're going to install the pump. Much easier than this.